Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using Java programming language to find the factors of a number using while loop, a for loop statement. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here imports Java util scanner for input output, public class factors, public static void main. It is the starting point of every program execution. Scanner input for input output, and then I have three variables, int x and I, which I initialize with 0. So char ch for do you want to continue later using do while statement, do, and then the title of our program, factors of a number using for loop in Java. And then here we are asking the user to give positive number that will be stored in our variable x, input next x, int in scanner. So using for loop statement, we will display the factors of x, whatever the value it is, and then for loop statement for I equals 1, I less than or equal to x, increment for I x modulus I equals 0. It will display the factors increment, and then after it will display, it will ask the user, do you want to continue y and n? If y it is yes, it will repeat the program. If it is no, it will display the message here, thank you for using this program. And then we have here while equals capital Y, character or small letter y, and then we close our program here. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So let us run. Basically I'm using Eclipse as my IDE. So factors of a number using for loop in Java, positive number, let's say we have 43. So the factors of 43 is 1 and 43. Do you want to continue? Yes. Let's say for example we have 105. So the factors of 105 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35 and 105. Do you want to continue? Yes. Let's say we have 23. So the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Do you want to continue? No. So thank you for using this program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to write a program in Java to find the factors of a number using for loop statement. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put again the program listing for free, complete source code in my two websites. Kindly see the video description of this video tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.